Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I want a short lecture on Imran Khan government. Please listen the lecture. Imran Khan became Prime Minister of Pakistan since 2018. He at once started strategy for new Pakistan building, arranged different programs for building Pakistan. He increases links with Russia and China while left relation with America. In his era, COVID 2019 made the Pakistan economy weak. He imposed more taxes on different items which have increased inflation in the country and decreased the purchasing power of the middle community of the country. They have mostly worked on the corrupt people of the country. Ihtisab Bureau was established. They have put Nawaz, Shahbaz and Zardari etc. in jail. Through this way litigation was started. In his era, majority workers have found the job in his era. After 3 years, slogans were started against his government and at last no confidence vote was taken place. Shahbaz Sharif became 23rd Prime Minister of Pakistan. According to history, each one came and promised that poverty will be eradicated from the country, but they all failed in their mission in the past. They all work for their family and relative. They always fight in the assembly. They misbehave with others, exercise their power and forcefully govern over the country. They capture all high posts of the nation and on those posts appoint their relative members. These members enjoy the life while the poor people face the problems. They work hard, but no one gave a chance for job. Poverty of the country increased day by day. When their government over, then they start slogan and again phase 2. Nation try for winning the election. I, Dr. Naushad Khan, request to nation to pass those people who are honest and trustworthy. They work for the nation building. Not give vote to those people who are bad and they work for family and relative. In next election, please thinking before casting the vote, give votes to those who sacrifice for their country.